they need.
Put 7 guys over there at second base.
Driven to right. Fernandez is going to watch this one off for the bottom of the archway. Henley is on the move. He is going to head it to third. Yeah, put another dot up on that one.
Off a couple of 2-strike. Good.
Jung-Hoo Lee with a high pop-up into shallow left field. Getting there easy. On the ground, into the hole, a base hit. Jung-Hoo Lee's 2 for 3. The long pause. And it didn't matter. It's Jung-Hoo Lee. Wraps one to throw to third. They may get him, and they don't. And then on the play, Jung-Hoo.